AI can now write books, compose music, and create art, but is it really creative? We've all seen incredible AI-generated pieces of art or heard a computer-generated song that sounds like it came from a famous artist. But while AI is doing amazing things in the world of creativity, we have to ask ourselves, is AI truly creative, or is it simply mimicking the brilliance of human imagination? Today, let's explore the impact of artificial intelligence on creativity and the future of artistic expression. The difference between human and machine creativity. Let's start by understanding what creativity really is. For humans, creativity involves a mix of inspiration, emotional depth, intuition, and sometimes even struggle. When an artist paints or a writer writes, they are pulling from their personal experiences, emotions, and the world around them. Their creativity isn't just about technical skills, it's about expressing something unique, something personal. Now, let's look at AI. Artificial intelligence, unlike humans, doesn't have experiences or emotions. Instead, it's trained on vast amounts of data, artwork, books, songs, anything it can learn from. It analyzes patterns and mimics the style, structure, and nuances it has absorbed. So, when AI creates something, it's not feeling its creation, it's simply generating based on what it's learned. This raises the question, can creativity exist without consciousness? If a machine creates something that feels new or inspiring, does it still count as art? Or is it just an imitation? AI-generated art and its impact on artists. AI-generated art is a rapidly growing field. We've seen AI paint portraits, create surreal landscapes, and even produce intricate designs that mimic the style of famous artists like Van Gogh or Picasso. Some of this art has even sold for significant amounts of money, raising an interesting debate. Can AI art be considered real art? For many artists, the rise of AI in creative spaces is both exciting and concerning. On one hand, AI can open up new possibilities and inspire fresh approaches to creativity. It allows artists to experiment with styles and techniques they might not have explored on their own. It can be a tool, much like a paintbrush or a camera. On the other hand, AI threatens to devalue human creativity. Some argue that art is a deeply human endeavor, and when machines start producing works that rival human creations, it raises questions about authenticity, originality, and the very essence of artistic expression. The ethics of AI creativity. The ethics of AI in creative fields are also a point of contention. For instance, if AI can create a song or a piece of art that resembles the work of a living artist, should the machine's creator or the AI itself own the copyright? Should AI-generated art be subject to the same rules and protections as human-made art? Moreover, what about the artists whose work is used to train these machines? When AI systems are fed data from countless human creations, where does the line get drawn between inspiration and theft? These questions are still being debated in courts, art communities, and tech companies. The future of collaboration between humans and AI. While AI's rise in creativity brings up many questions, there's also immense potential for collaboration. Imagine a world where AI acts as a creative partner, helping musicians compose complex harmonies, assisting writers in generating ideas, or even enhancing visual art by suggesting new techniques or styles. AI could become a powerful tool in the creative process, helping humans overcome blocks or providing fresh perspectives. For example, AI might generate a concept for a song, and the musician could take that idea and inject their own emotion and experience into it, turning the machine's suggestion into something uniquely human. The key here is collaboration, not replacement. AI might not have the soul of a human artist, but it can amplify the human spirit, pushing the boundaries of what we can create. The future of creativity isn't about AI replacing humans, it's about humans and machines working together in new, exciting ways. Will AI replace human creatives? Now, the burning question. Will AI replace human creativity altogether? Some worrying that as AI becomes more advanced, it could take over roles in the creative industry. We've already seen it generating music, writing scripts, and even designing products. Could AI eventually do everything? While AI may excel at mimicking creativity, it still lacks one crucial element, the human experience. Art is often about connection, about telling stories that resonate with people. It's about capturing raw emotion, representing culture, and expressing identity. These are things machines can't truly understand. As advanced as AI becomes, there's something inherently human about creativity. It's about our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. No machine, no matter how sophisticated, can replicate the depth of human emotion or the unique perspective each of us brings to the creative process. Embracing AI as a tool, not a replacement. So, where does this leave us? The reality is, AI isn't going away. But instead of fearing it or viewing it as a replacement, we should embrace it as a tool. A tool that can help push creativity in new directions, expand possibilities, and challenge us to think differently. In the future, creativity might not be defined by whether it's created by a human or a machine, but by how well humans and machines work together to create something new, innovative, and inspiring. The future of creativity, the world of creativity is changing, and AI is a part of that change. Whether as a collaborator, a tool, or an inspiration, AI is pushing the boundaries of what we can create. The real question is, how will we use it? Will we let it enhance our own creativity, or will we allow it to take the reins? The future of creativity is in our hands and in the hands of our machines. One thing is clear, the future of creativity is a partnership. The question is, are you ready to create with AI? Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, you living legends. Thanks for watching my 50th video. Until next time.